Dines, wines, and dines. Artie, the manager speaking. Tuffy ain't here. Oh, hello, Tuffy. Hey, Tuffy, where's them mouse knuckles at? I ain't seen hide nor seek of them. You ain't sending them. You can't get them. But Tuffy, Edward G. Robin cat's on his way down here for a mess of those mouse knuckles, and he ain't hardly the type of guy to think we ain't got none for no answer. Leave us face it. Uh-oh, perish forbid. Look, Tuffy, I'll call you later. Hey, Filligan.
Hiya.
Now, look, Filligan, this guy's gonna holler for mouse knuckles, of which we ain't got no mouse. So make yourself useful as well as oriental, Filligan, and chase me up a mouse muy pronto.
Okay, Art, I'll get your mouse, and my name ain't F-I-L-L-I-G-A-N. Spells, spells,
Well, as me eyes deceive me, Eddie G. Robin cat in the flesh and fantasy.
Listen, you mug, can the gab, see? Bring me...
Oh, this dump is no ordinary joint. Leave us not turn it into no fire aroma.
Hello, Tuffy's Tavern. The Filligan talking. Tuffy ain't here. Oh, hello, Tuffy. Huh? Okay, Tuffy. I will ask him, does he still want the mouse knuckles? Hey, on! I don't think he needs the mouse knuckles, Tuffy, but he sure could use some brass knuckles.
That's all, folks.